Welcome to Supercar Studio, where we bring you the most exclusive supercar content from around the world. Today we are inside one of the most iconic machines ever made, the interior of a Ferrari parked in a luxurious showroom. This 2025 model showcases Ferrari's evolution in design, comfort and cutting-edge technology while still staying true to its racing DNA. The first thing you notice is the driver-focused cockpit. Every line and contour is sculpted for performance and elegance. The dashboard is completely digital with a massive LED screen that flows seamlessly into the instrument cluster, giving the driver full control and information in real time. From performance telemetry to navigation and multimedia, everything is displayed in high resolution with flawless animations that react instantly to input. The steering wheel is loaded with Ferrari's signature controls, including the Manettino dial to switch between drive modes, LED shift lights and integrated haptic touch buttons. Every element is built with carbon fiber and leather, offering that perfect blend of sportiness and luxury. Paddle shifters behind the wheel are perfectly placed, giving you a feeling like you're on the track even while sitting still in a showroom. Center console is minimalist and futuristic, featuring touch-sensitive controls and a small digital display for passenger access. Seat adjusters, climate control and drive settings are all tucked neatly into this clean layout. The seats themselves are a work of art, wrapped in premium leather with contrast stitching, offering both comfort and bolstering for high-speed cornering. Ambient lighting runs subtly through the cabin with customizable colors to match your mood or driving style. The LED mood lights blend perfectly into the sleek interior lines, especially around the doors, dashboard and center tunnel, making nighttime drives even more thrilling. Technology in this Ferrari includes the latest connectivity features such as wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a high-end surround sound system and over-the-air software updates. The voice assistant has been upgraded to understand natural speech patterns and responds with impressive accuracy, making it easier than ever to control the car without lifting a finger. Storage space is as expected for a Ferrari. Minimal but thoughtfully designed small compartments behind the seats and a decent glove box give you just enough room for essentials. The luxury showroom this car is parked in adds to the atmosphere with premium lighting and a polished display area reflecting the beauty of every surface of this Italian masterpiece. Everything about this interior screams performance, innovation and prestige. Ferrari has truly elevated the interior experience to match the exhilarating performance. It is known for the combination of craftsmanship, attention to detail and state-of-the-art tech makes this 2025 Ferrari not just a car but a statement. If you enjoyed this inside look at the Ferrari interior, make sure to subscribe to Supercar Studio for more stunning supercar content and exclusive features.